I'm going to the beach today. That's why I'm in my bathing suit. Might look like I'm going to the pool, but I'm going to the beach. My hair is really wavy today. And yeah. So I am doing a slime video because I just got new slime. I went to my friend's house and I made this slime. It's not the best color, I'll show you when it comes out. It's not blue, it's like this bluish purple, I guess. Well, I guess it's kind of blue, but it has purple in it. So let's open it. Here it is. I've been poking it. How's this sound? Let me take it out. It is really not sticky. It is made out of glue. Glue, shaving cream, and borax. But with the borax, we mixed it with water, and we made a solution about it. I forgot how we made the solution. But yeah, so it's really good slime. I think we added a little too much shaving cream because our slime did not work. And then we just got it was really sticky, so we just got pieces of slime. We just did this with it and formed it, and then it formed into this. So then we added it with the stuff we made, we put it in a bowl. The one we got off and did that with it. We put it in a separate bowl and then just kept doing it, and then kept doing it, and then kept doing it, kept doing it, and kept doing it, and kept doing it. And it was a real big batch of slime. We used mainly a gallon of glue. Well, half a gallon. It was like that's how big the gallon of glue is. And then it was up to here, so we used all the way down to here. So I mainly used half a gallon. And then yesterday I also got a bear. It's a panda, I think. Yeah, I think it looks like a panda. And his name is Boom Boom. Rite gave him that name. So I'm thinking of adding my other fluffy slime with this fluffy slime. So I'll have a big fluffy slime. It depends on the color, because the color of my fluffy slime, I actually really like it. It's this color, and then this color and this color together. I don't know what it will do. This is a really good fluffy slime. It stretches really good. Let me get some of this. Get some of this. It's not mixing very well. I don't know. Guys, what should I do? It has good kind of stretch now. It's kind of cool, I guess. But I don't know if I should add this whole loaf of it. Oh, this is actually kind of pretty of a color. That's not a word, but it's kind of pretty. This is a pretty color. It has it looks like gray and then blue. You might think that's weird combined, but this blue is really, really good. So it's good with this. I think I'll just give this to my friend. Yeah, I was gonna add both of my fluffy slimes to give to my friend. This doesn't make the sound. Barely. This one does. So now it is turning out good, I guess. It's a good slime. A lot of times I give slime to people. Ready? It stretches pretty good now. The color is a little off. It's a little blue. It's like baby blue. I thought it would kind of be like this. I wanted it to be like this. This is a little more like this slime, and because of the texture, because this you can like soak your hands into it faster, and this one you kind of can't. So the blue slime is a little sticky, but it comes off like really easily if you do this. You have a couple on it, but what's bad about this one is it turns your hands colors. So I think this is actually a good slime. You might be thinking, why is she doing a slime video before she goes to the beach? Because I want to play with slime. So yeah. So let's put the lids on. Let's put my slimes away. What the heck is that? Okay, I'm gonna figure out what that is. Like and subscribe this video. Love ya.